So you're probably looking at this window and wondering, how can I set it up without an internet connection? We're gonna get straight into it. Now, because Microsoft won't let you install Windows 11 officially without an internet connection. I don't know why, it's very dumb, because I built a gaming PC and the problem was there was no drivers, neither for the Wi-Fi and neither for the Ethernet. So now you're just stuck at this window and you can't install Windows 11 because Microsoft won't let you. I mean, they will let you, but they hide it. And here's how to unhide it. So just press Shift and F10 and that is going to open your CMD. And here you're going to type this command, OOBE /bypassNRO. And that will restart your computer. After restarting, choose your country again. Then go ahead and choose your keyboard. Then as you can see, I don't have any internet here. We're gonna go ahead and choose that. I hope I could help you, and if I did, please hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya!